I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Instagram to Pinterest. This guide will help you seamlessly integrate your content across both platforms, saving you valuable time. We'll cover the simple steps to link your accounts, set up automatic publishing for new posts, and even import your existing content from the last 90 days. Get ready to expand your reach and streamline your social media strategy with these easy-to-follow instructions. To begin, open your Pinterest account and go to your profile settings. Look for the Claimed Accounts option, which is usually found under Settings or Privacy. Here, you'll see an option to claim your Instagram account. Click Claim and follow the on-screen instructions to log into Instagram and grant Pinterest the necessary permissions. This process typically takes less than 1 minute to complete, establishing a direct link between your two platforms. Once your accounts are linked, you can enable auto-publishing. Pinterest will ask you to select a default board where your Instagram posts will be saved as pins. You can also choose to import your Instagram posts from the past 90 days, instantly populating your Pinterest boards. Remember, carousel posts will be split into individual pins. Take a moment to edit pin titles and descriptions for better search engine optimization on Pinterest. Connecting your Instagram to Pinterest offers several key advantages. You'll significantly increase your content's visibility, reaching Pinterest's vast audience of over 500 million monthly active users. This integration ensures proper attribution for your content, linking pins directly back to your Instagram profile. It also streamlines your content strategy, allowing you to repurpose posts effortlessly and track their performance using Pinterest Analytics. This is a smart way to grow your brand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.